You've been told you need to find your passion, build a personal brand, risk thousands on dropshipping or Amazon FBA. That's the guru's map, a map designed to keep you exactly where you are, buying their next course.
Paralyzed by 1,000 opportunities, each demanding one thing you don't have: startup capital. So today, we burned that map. We're not building empires. We're winning one battle this week for close to zero cost. This is the 7-day launch protocol, a system to go from zero to your first paying client in less time than most people spend choosing a logo. This is not financial advice, not guaranteed results. It's a framework for intelligent action. 99% will watch and do nothing. This is for the 1% who will execute. You won't sell dreams. You'll sell micro offers, small, fast, high-value services that solve real problems for real people. Think of it like this. Instead of building an empire, you build a bridge. Each bridge connects one problem to one solution. Here are 4 that are working right now. Number 1, a simple chat widget on a restaurant's website. It answers customer questions and saves them hours. Setup, $200. Maintenance, $50 a month. 2, short-form content machine. Turn a 1-hour video into 15 viral reels, $400 a month. 3, Google Business Tune-Up. Fix a bad local profile in one afternoon, $250 one time. 4, UGC Starter Pack. Brands send you products, you film short clips on your phone, $100 per video. These aren't passions. They're precision tools. Fast, simple, and profitable. Because speed beats size. Now that you've chosen your weapon, it's time to launch your mission. 7 days, 7 precise moves, 1 clear objective. Get paid. Day 1. Choose one offer, one niche, one outcome. Write it down. Day 2. Build a 1-page site on Card or Notion. 1 button, book a call. Day 3. Create a simple proof of work, a mock-up, before-after, or demo. Day 4. Find 30 potential clients on LinkedIn or Google Maps. Send each a short, personalized message. Day 5. Do the work for 2 clients, free or discounted. Get results, get testimonials. Day 6. Turn those results into a case study. That's your weapon. Day 7. Raise your price, post your case study everywhere your niche exists. That's the protocol. 7 days. No waiting, no overthinking, just contact with reality. You will face silence, rejection, maybe failure, but you'll also find clarity, and that's where progress begins. The old map tells you to plan forever. This one forces you to move. The tools are free. The knowledge is here. The only variable left is you.